What is up, everybody? It is a beautiful day today. We've got the plow mounted on the Jeep. Still have some squeaking issues with this Jeep. No problems whatsoever. We got the Suburban back. It is fixed. Fixed. I think we're still leaking a little bit of power steering fluid or something somewhere. But anyways, we'll figure it out. We gotta go spray it off and check it out. But stay tuned because we are taking the Suburban to Moab. I don't know when, but stay tuned. It's coming soon. We're going to Moab and we're taking this. Yeah. But in case you haven't seen already, I've got a set of key. Yeah, that's right, just a set of key. So I got a set of key, just one key for a new vehicle that we just purchased. It's gonna be the hauler. We just bought a 2014 6.7 Power Stroke. This is the Platinum Ultimate Lariat Edition, whatever you want to call it. But here we go. See this? We got this fancy remote start. Yeah. Oh. Oh, she sounds good. But hold on just a second. Check it. So it's got these fancy steps. When you open the door, they come down. It's got all these fine gadgets. But we're gonna go on a little drive real quick. It's also got these fancy airbags on it. I can set, if I'm pulling, I can turn my airbags up just with the click of a button. I can also let air out of the airbags with the fancy button. But I'll be honest with you guys, this here is literally the fanciest truck I've ever owned. So I don't get a lot of people. I hear a lot of things, from other people about, what I'm doing with my money and blah, 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 blah. Alright, so check this out. So, basically, YouTube has been, whoa, phone's going off. I gotta check it real quick. Let me pull over. Oh man, people are calling me now. Hold on. Alrighty, folks. Sorry, I had to interrupt the video. I got a call. It's an important phone call. There's a it's always an important phone call. So we do a lot of work for some folks, and when they call, I answer my phone. I don't care what I'm doing. I answer my phone. So, anyways, back to the title, the thumbnail. Money off of YouTube. So I, back in the day, found out we could make money, obviously, off of YouTube. Well, things changed. They required a certain amount of subscribers and blah, blah, blah. So, fast forward to, say a couple years ago, I was actually helping, some of my other buddies and family and people grow their YouTube channel. And I was trying to offer my advice on what to do and do this, do that, right? Well, I can only offer advice. Now, when you look at my advice compared to where I'm at as a channel, I haven't been growing my channel. I've been growing it, but I back in the day, I put a lot of time and effort into helping them out because I want to help other people. I want to help you guys grow. I want you to make money. I want us all to make money. There is room for all of us to make money, even if we all do the same thing. So in my lawn care business, I work with other lawn care businesses, and we try to make each other money. I'll give them jobs. They give us jobs. We have this circle of people that we can call to help us do our job. They give us discounts, and so we all kind of charge about the same. I give them discounts, and then they are able to make money off of work I do for them. So it is what it is. That's how you do it, and I'd like to do that for others on YouTube. Help you guys. If anyone's interested, hit me up. Let's work together. Let's do this. But anyways, back to what we were saying, and what I'm saying is, I wanted to show people, look, the advice I'm giving you will work if you do it. Now, here's the deal. They're all still doing it. They're just going at their own pace. Everyone has their own thing. Everyone goes at their own pace in life. Me? I try to go a little faster in life. So, when I get something in my head, I'm obsessed with it. So, I don't know if you noticed, but I bought some square bodies and I've been having some fun with those. So I'm obsessed with it, man. I love it. I love wheeling them. I love driving them. Sometimes I like fixing them. Other times I'm just sending it to the mechanic because I don't want to do it. But YouTube has provided an income stream for me, and over the last, I don't know, a couple years, I've been making less than $100 a month. Sometimes I make a goal to make over $100 a month, and sometimes I hit that goal. But I'm never really serious about the goal. Until now. I've focused. I've been serious. Last month, I hit $107. $107, that ain't that much, right? Well, that's nothing. But that's an extra $107 that I made for having fun. That's it, having fun. And it's only growing. It's growing. That's right. It's growing. I'm watering the plant and it's growing. So, obviously, you can't, make a plant grow any faster. But grass, you could fertilize a little extra and make it grow a little faster. So I consider myself, I'm going to try to do that. I'm going to fertilize this YouTube channel with better content, and hopefully you guys will like the content. My square body stuff's coming. We're going to take the Blazer places. I'm picking up a trailer. We bought this truck so we could haul the Suburban, and if I need to haul the Blazer somewhere, I can do it. I can take them places now. I could before with the F-150, but I'm sorry. All you who pull a lot of stuff with the F-150s, they'll do it. I'm just not wanting to do it. I'd rather have an F-350, and why I chose the Fords is because I like the Fords. But I'm getting out of hand here. Okay, let's go back to YouTube. So, YouTube is fun. It's allowed me a lot of time with the family. We go out as a family. Now I'm sitting right around 115 or 120. It's got like a little 28-day average. So obviously that's going to be a little higher because there's a few extra days in the month, usually on every month, right? So add a couple days. We're probably looking about 130, 125, 130. So I've been growing even from last month. So thanks to everyone who watches the channel, and all I ask is your support and watching the channel. Share the channel, click the like button, comment on some of the videos. I definitely want to be able to bring more square body content. I want to buy some more square bodies. I want to fix some more square bodies. I want to go talk to others who own square bodies and check out their rigs. Jeeps, I want to go wheeling with other Jeeps. I just want to have some fun, and we're gonna do it because I've changed my mindset, and I'm going to show you how to grow a YouTube channel along the way. And along the way, we're going to talk about money, where you can earn extra money. So this video is about obviously what I make on YouTube, and like I said, right now it's a little over $100 a month. But everything else that has come from YouTube, such as Facebook, Amazon, affiliate marketing, the LED bulbs, all this other stuff. It's all great marketing content. It's all grows. It expands everything. So stay tuned. Watch for more content. Watch for better content. I'm gonna make it a goal that we are going to just basically provide more entertaining content, better content, money talk content, all sorts of content. We're just gonna have fun. So stay tuned, smile, go out, kick some butt, make some extra money, and legit stay tuned, because we're going to be talking about other sources such as the Facebook. I'll tell you right now that the money I make from YouTube is less, a little less. I don't know, a little less, a lot less than what I have actually made on Facebook. Facebook varies from month to month, but I'll tell you what, it's better. So stay tuned for that video. One of these days I might tell you how much I actually make off Facebook and these shorts and stuff that I've been making, that YTs, you know, the Toyotas or the Ford Rangers and Jeeps and stuff like that. So stay tuned.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way